Welcome. Today in front of me HTC Desire 628 and I'll show you how to mute notifications on this device. So first you should go into the settings app and then scroll down to the sounds and notifications section. Here, as can you see, we got the volume section, and just to mute your notifications you should swipe this dot to the left side. But as can you see, this is the volume panel, not just of notifications, and also the ringtone volume panel. So I suggest you to do that by the second way. You just should tap here on the notification sound, and here you got set it right now the latest one. And I suggest you just to switch your current notification sound to the silent one and just to tap to apply. And by this way you can mute only your notification sound but stay with your ringtones. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.